Alright guys, so I want to recreate a particular website made by the owner of ClickFunnels. His name is Russell Brunson. So you can see I just screenshot the website. So let me see what I have. Screenshots, just take it to Cloud AI and say recreate this landing page for me. I want it to be done using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. It should be a standalone code that can be used in system.io raw HTML features. Try to create that replicate. Let's see what we have. So we are currently using this version of Cloud AI, Sonnet 4. Sonnet 4 is supposed to be a very good one, but let's see what we have with this Sonnet 4. And the AI has gone to work, and the AI is about to recreate the landing page for us. So let's see what we have. Okay, it's going, creating the CSS script for the code, started opening with the HTML, the 5 lead challenge. These are the CSS script for all the components of the entire landing page. I just hope that this stuff is going to use the images that are necessary to create the landing page without using dummy image. I would really love that. Okay, done with the CSS. Literally now, right now, it's just working on the body of the website. Like, this AI is supposed to use everything on this image to replicate it. I don't know if the AI is going to do exactly what is required, but you know, let's see what we got. How many minutes so far? It's been 1 minute, right? Or 2 minutes. Let's see how long it takes to recreate an entire Russell Brunson landing page. And this is a highly converting landing page that has been tested and proven. I mean, this guy is the best when it comes to creating landing pages and sales funnels. So if you are recreating what he has created, then just know that you are recreating the best in the market, and he spends a lot on art on this type of landing pages. So hopefully, let's see what this stuff will create for us. Oh wow, let me see. This is not bad at all. Trying to see if it will open. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, so we have a landing page. What will you do with an extra 10? Like literally copying exactly what you saw. Okay, recreating all these things for us. Day 1, unlimited leads. Day 2, using this type of shade as an image placeholder. This is very cool. Then you have special guest training during the event, people's name. I mean, this is good. Literally, this is good. This is very, very good. Like, this is all you need. If you want to change image, you can change the image. But this is another idea if you want to create a landing page very fast, right? Very, very fast. Just go copy this and move. All right, copy the code. Let's take it to system.io and see what we have. Oh, you come here, copy the code. Let's go to system. Right, let me just duplicate this. Yeah, duplicate this one. Oh, I need to log in again. Okay, let me just log in. System.io asked me to log in, so I need to re-log in again. So when you are asked to log in again, you need to confirm with the code. Let me just confirm with the code. So we log in back to the system.io platform so that we can go test our landing page if it's actually making sense, right? So this is just one idea. This is just one way for you to figure out if you don't know how to create a landing page yourself, you are finding it difficult to create your own landing page. That's just what you need to do. Just go look for somebody else's landing page, screenshot it as an image, put it inside of Cloud AI and ask Cloud AI to recreate this particular image for you, and that's all you need. Before you know it, you have a complete landing page that you can use for your business. With that, you are good to go. Okay, so let's duplicate again this time around. Confirm duplicate, landing, duplicate, copy. All right, so we just give it a name here, dub lander, and with this we are good to go. So we just click on edit. Since we already copied the code, all we need to do is to locate raw HTML. So this one was another raw HTML. I just click on this raw HTML right here. I just go to the code. On the code, I just click Ctrl A, delete everything, and paste my new code now. Then my new code, this is what I have, right? I click on save. I just click on that icon there to test to see how it's looking like. All right, so we have a few things that we can change here, but like the basic concept, of course, the basic concept is good to go. Like, but I don't like the colors. The red is too red, the green is too green, and all that, right? But the design, like duplicating this thing just with a click of a button, it's fantastic. It's so good. This is your landing page and no two-way. Now let's see if we want to right now, say we want to edit. Let's add a Claude. Let's go back to Claude and make some changes. If you want to make changes to the code, maybe there are things we don't like. We don't like the color is too red, the green is too green, and we want to edit. All right, we can just say great, I like the design. However, the colors and design is too basic, it's not modern and sleek. So let's fix that so it can be really appealing. So that's how you edit nowadays. You just go back. You don't like anything, you just go back and you edit by telling the AI what you want to be changed in the code, and the AI will just go back and make those changes. As you can see now, the changes are being done. So the AI is making the changes now, right? So the AI is still making the changes to the web application or landing page, you can call it. So the code is getting fixed up just as we requested. So in a few seconds, we should have everything ready for us to test again and see what changes have been made. Now you can see showing you making edits. All right, our changes have been made and this is good. Yeah, this is really good. So you change it. All right, so we can see something we can just copy just the same way. Click on the code, we copy the code. When it's copied, you will see a check mark. If you don't see a check mark, it's not yet copied. Another option for copying is to just click directly and copy. Like just highlight directly like this and copy it. So now that we've copied, let us go to our editor, click edit code, just click inside. You will see the difference now. Control A, delete everything here, just put this, save it, and come back here and save it. So what I want to do, I want to come here. I don't want to refresh this page. I will just open another page so that you can see the difference. This first one here, let's click here, okay, save it again. Then we click on play for it to refresh. Now we have the new design. So look at the new design above the fold, the headline. Just give me 5 short seconds and I will show you the exact step-by-step method for generating new leads who are excited to buy from you. Join the 5-day lead challenge for free. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Boom, straight to the point. You click here to take you to a URL where you can join the challenge, and you see other information here. What would you do with an extra 10, 20, 1,000 new leads per day? This is enough. Like, I mean, this is enough. Let me show you the difference between this and the actual page of Russell Brunson 5 days challenge. 5 days challenge. Let's check it out so that you see. The difference is just the picture, right? And for the fact that this one, they spent hours trying to make this using ClickFunnels, while this one, on the other hand, you are starting out. Yes, might not be as the own is, but it's something close. Can you see this one is taking time to load? Meanwhile, this your own here just loads like this. That is the advantage of having this type of landing page. When users are going to your website, it just opens because you can see there's no image here. That's one advantage, right? And for somebody who is looking for what you have to offer, they don't care much about image. They just care about the messaging. Are you saying what they want to hear? If you are talking about what they want to hear, they will pay attention and they will be excited to see that you have information for them. This one is still loading. Let's open this now and see. See, this one is still loading because you have a lot of images on this particular landing page, and that is the advantage of doing your own landing page like this. Using AI with just purely CSS, HTML and JavaScript, you have a very fast website. A website that when you click like this, it opens without too much distraction. And when you have this type of website, because the landing page is designed to just convert them, to get them to click here. And when they click, it opens up a form that they fill. And that is all. Instead of trying to put whistles and bells, that's going to confuse a lot of people, right? You don't need that on your website. This is just what you need. So this is the website. This is the one that Russell Brunson did himself, right? 5 days challenge with all this. And the good thing is our own stuff just looked at this whole thing and it just replicate the stuff also for us. See, and just give us this. So everything that you have here has put everything here, and we didn't have to design this stuff ourselves compared to this one that was designed. Look at all this information here. Alright, look at it, even more simpler and straight to the point. Then the each of the information one after the other. The difference here are just these images, right? You don't have the image, but you have all the information. Exactly. Then here you have some other information. Here you don't have all that, but you also have something very good about the guests and very lightweight, good to go. So this is how you create a landing page nowadays, especially if you want to test something very fast. That's what you do. Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can literally create a $10,000 landing page that is created by Russell Brunson himself. But this time around, you're going to create this landing page using AI, and it's going to be one click button. We'll duplicate this landing page and we'll create something very, very beautiful, right? Now, the difference is that when you create landing page like the way Russell Brunson did his own here, you need to put a lot of images like this and put this image, put this image, put all this image. But at the end of the day, your website will be very, very slow. And when you are running a paid traffic or organic traffic, people don't have time to wait for you and for a load for them to see what you have to offer. That is why the new way I'm going to show you right now will allow you to create all these things without putting these images, to make it very lightweight so that you can get the message passed across. The most important thing here is the messaging. right? People who click on this particular place, they are interested in knowing how to convert leads, not necessarily looking at all these pictures that are here. So how do we get these pictures out of the way and now begin to show people what they are looking for so that they can get to buy from us? And not only that, but let us have a high converting landing page that sells like crazy. Now let me show you what we are going to be creating. Something like this. This is what we are going to be creating, and it's going to be very straight to the point, simple. You can see the same thing, right? With this, if you go, you will see all the information that are there. You see this. Everything here is minimalist without any pictures to make your website very fast and easy. And the good part is we don't even need to create this ourselves. AI create this thing for us for free from beginning to the end. And let me show you the process immediately. The first thing you want to do here is you want to go to any landing page that you are interested in. Let's say I want to copy this landing page right now, right? And turn it into your other one. There is a plugin here that you go and download. It's called Go Full Page, right? Just go on Google, like this, just say Go Full Page extension, and click on Go Full Page extension, and it will open for you. Click on this Go Full Page extension here. You will see the option so that you can add it to your Google Chrome, right? It's free, and this thing will literally copy any web page for you. We'll screenshot it for you, the entire page. So that is step number one. Once you have this done, you go to step number two. Step number two is, because you install this stuff, it will show here for you. So you can see my own here is showing this place, it's showing here. All I need to do right now is just click, boom. Once I click here, it just captures the entire page. You see, it's capturing the entire page for me. Once it's done capturing the entire page, it will open so that I can see the entire page. This is what I need. You can see if you click it, it shows this is what I need. Once I have this now, I just download the image, and boom. Now you have the image. Step number two is we head on to Claude. Don't use ChatGPT. I always like to use Claude when it comes to something like this. Claude gives me better. So now when you go to Claude, this is what you see on Claude. Now you can click on this image here, or you can just go to your download, click on the image you just screenshot, just download it, and drop it on this interface here. The moment you drop it on the interface, you can now begin to craft your prompts. Now what I just want is very simple. I want you to create this image. You create this landing page for me. So you just put all the information you want, telling him what you want to do, and this stuff will go ahead and recreate the image for you. So guys, as you can see, that is how you'll be able to create landing pages that convert like crazy. Simple, straightforward, $10,000 worth of landing page in just a click of a button, right? If this type of video is something you love, I'm sure you will like the next video where I show you how you can create your digital product and landing page using AI. Click the next one, and see you in the next one.